In this video, I will show you how to make faceless YouTube videos with AI. And for this process, we'll be using 4 different websites. First website will be ChatGPT. The second website will be vidIQ. The third will be InVideo. And the fourth will be Leonardo. Now, we are going to be using Leonardo AI for thumbnail generation, InVideo for video generation, vidIQ for topics, and ChatGPT for the script. So, firstly, what you have to do is you have to start with vidIQ because you will be needing a topic first. Now, you can use all the softwares for free, but you will have some limits. So just simply search for a topic or an idea from vidIQ related to your own niche. So as you can see, I've asked, give me 5 best titles for a weight loss diet. Now, just simply click on send and now wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, it will give you 5 best titles. Now you can ask for different titles or you can regenerate that to get more better results. Now you will have a limit over here because you're using this for free. But if you want to get the paid version, you can also do that. In that, you will have a better limit. But in the free version, you will only get 3 chances. So use them well. Now, once you have your title, all you have to do is go to ChatGPT. So as you can see, this is the title that I chose. Now what you have to do is just simply ask ChatGPT to write you a script of how many words you want. Then enter the title and then explain what type of script you want. As you can see right over here. Then ChatGPT will start writing your script, and as you can see, ChatGPT came up with the script, but it is a bit small. As you can see, a lot of points are not covered in the points. So if this happens with you, all you have to do is just simply ask ChatGPT to expand upon all the points more briefly, and if it still continues like that, just simply tell him give more detailed explanation in all the points, and that should expand all the points, as you can see right over here. So after doing that, it will also give you a good conclusion as well. So just simply get your script over here. Now it's time to get your video. So for video, we will be using invideo.io. So again, it's a free software with some limitations. Now, overall what you have to do is create a free account and then come to the dashboard over here and then click on AI text to video. Now we'll just simply choose a template that you want. So it will totally depend on the niche that you are in. So in my case, it's going to be a food niche. So I'm going to choose this template over here. But in your case, the template might be a different one. So let's say, for example, your niche is of fitness and gym. You will be choosing this template over here. Or if you're in money making or make money online niche, you will be choosing templates like this, this, or maybe this. So the template will totally depend on the niche that you are in. Now you can always search for them by going to the create new option and then click on template and then search for your ideal templates. But I'm going to go with this template right over here. So choose your template, then you simply choose the format. Now I'm going to create a YouTube video, so it's going to be landscape. So choose this option and click on use template. Now wait for a few seconds. Now what you have to do is you have to paste your script right over here. So after that, at the very bottom, you will have an option of auto suggested images and videos. Now, if you want better videos, you can choose these options over here. So if you're doing completely for free, just simply check the free option. Or if you have a premium subscription, just simply choose iStock and premium as well. Now, after doing all of that, all you have to do is click on create scenes and now wait for the entire video. So you can also do this scene by scene. It's totally up to you. So you can do this scene by scene as well. So what you do is just simply, let's say for example, take the first scene and then just simply get a video of that particular scene and do this for all the scenes that you think will be necessary in your video. And then just simply compile them in the editor, which you will get in this place over here. So wait for a few seconds. Now, once your video is all ready, it will look something like this and it will be split into multiple scenes where your dialogues will be written, as you can see right over here. Now, this is currently in the storyboard phase where you will have the option to change the scene if you want to by clicking on the edit scene option. And then you can add different type of scenes from the panel at the left hand side. Now, once you have all the scenes, go to the editor option. So after that, it's time for the voiceover. So for that, click on the voiceover section. Then you will have few options, automated text to speech voiceover, where you will get an artificial voiceover. You can import something from the uploads panel, which is at the left over here. And then you can upload your own voiceover from your computer or laptop, or you can directly record your voiceover on this software. So I have already prepared my voiceover. So just simply click on upload your own voiceover right over here. And then just simply pick your voiceover. So after that, the voiceover will appear right over here. Then All you have to do is just simply click on export your video and then export in a file format of either 720p or 1020p, as you can see right over here. Now, if you ever use any stock images, you will need to get the upgraded version. But if you have only used free videos, you can download it for free. So once you have your video, it's time to get your thumbnail. So you go to Leonardo and then just simply use the Leonardo software as you would do for Midjourney, and then just simply write a prompt in the image generation feed over here. So go to this image generation part and then just simply generate a thumbnail by entering prompt right over here. Give the resolution right over here. Then just simply create the type of thumbnail that you want. So after that, you're all done. And the only thing remaining is to upload the video on YouTube. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.